Let's practice the sounds of G in Spanish. If you started studying Spanish, then you must know by now that the G has a different sound. If you have a G-A, G-O, or G-U, you have a strong sound like ga, go, gu. So we have words like gato, gorro, and gusano. But if you have a GE or a GI, you must use a soft sound like he or he. So you have words like genio or girasol. Now let's practice with this paragraph. Cuando Gustavo llegó a casa, encontró a su gato Eugenio girando en su silla favorita. Estaba tan gordo que no podía bajarse solo. Can you repeat it in the same way?